Hey, welcome back to the channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. In my collection, I have a few models which I consider to be my favorite, like the Climacool 1, the Adidas Superstar, the Ultra Boost. I decided to get multiple pairs. So I thought about it and I said, why not do the same with the New Balance XC72, which I consider to be one of my favorite sneakers and probably the best New Balance. I already have a pair which I've customized. Some people might say I've ruined this, but I don't really care. I really wanted a second pair and I really looked for something that doesn't have any suede on it because I really hate suede. Classic New Balance box. Kind of expensive for the retail price, about 150 euros, which is ridiculous. But then again, I think the materials are different. There's some recycled stuff. I got these for half price, so about 75 euros, which is a very good price. Inside, classic useless paper. By the way, I think all New Balance XC72 come with extra laces, which is a very nice gesture, but these are flat laces, which are kind of shit. Before moving on, I want to show you the differences between these two versions. Of course, the first one is the upper. This has a suede upper. This has that canvas material, which I really like. The toe box is kind of different. It's a bit rounded on these ones. And look at this toe box. Maybe this is because I've painted over this suede, but I think it was like this from the beginning. Of course, I've customized these here in the back, but another difference is with this line on this heel part. This is a bit longer, this part of the fabric. The shape of this is different basically. As you can see, this is rounded. It's not right here. And there's another difference. The New Balance logo is embroidered on these ones. I think that's another reason why these are a bit more expensive, because embroidery is kind of expensive. If you watched my videos, you know I cannot live with myself if I don't change something on a sneaker. So this is what I did. A nice lace swap with rounded purple laces. I had to paint this middle section in gray to kind of match with this heel cup rubber. But this is kind of a greenish tint of gray. The logo is still a giant ass N, but it's cream, it blends kind of well, and it's also the same material as this back heel part. Oh, the only thing I don't like about these, they kept this felt material for the inside, which will get dirty instantly. This should have been black. So I'm going to show you the on feet at the end of the video, after I customize the other one. That's it. Thank you. Subscribe. Bye.